Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 9 trades. Today's date is November the 3rd and I am using my brand new Easy Scalper trading system. This system has the Easy Scalper, that's this moving average right here. That changes. I can click on it somewhere in here. Here it is, the Easy Scalper. And when it changes colors, blue to red, red to blue, you'll get an audio alert and a pop-up box like here. And also I have the super signal indicator. That's with these buy and sell alerts. Love the super signal indicator as it helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Now, of course, this is great for traders who love to scalp the markets, especially on the 5-minute time frame. So, every morning at 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer getting ready to trade the New York session. I look at all the different instruments, and of course, I take a look at my daily trade plan. And once I make a decision, want to buy or sell, I manually put this white arrow in, and then I'm ready to go. Now here is a screenshot that I took earlier before I started trading, and I took all the trades directly from my daily trade plan. Now if you're trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's a very good reason, at least one good reason, why you are not succeeding. So my mentor told me many years ago, 95% of the traders out there are failing because they don't have any kind of a daily trade plan. So anyhow, if you have any questions on this daily trade plan, all you got to do is get in contact with me. Now I took all the trades before non-farm payroll on this day, Friday, November the 3rd. Here's non-farm payroll right here. All the CAD right here, top two, we're selling the Canadian dollar. All the US dollar, we're selling it. It's all red, so we're selling. And this will affect not only just Forex, but also the futures, the indexes. So the market will move. This comes out the first Friday of each month. My mentor, like a lot of coaches, they would say, stay away, don't trade on Friday. Too much volatility. Well, if you're after, you want to get many pips and ticks, well, this is a great thing to trade non-farm payroll because the market definitely will move. And my system points me in the direction prior to the news coming out whether I should be buying and or selling. So like I said, I took the trades actually before 7 o'clock this morning. So an hour and a half before, I knew which way the market was going to move at, when the news came out at 8:30. And as you can clearly see, the bulk of them was around 8:45 when I closed out the trades. And except 2 other ones, I stayed in the trade for a little bit longer to grab some more pips. Now the bulk of these I bought except for these 2, Euro and Pound New Zealand. They were going down. So let's see on this on these trades. First one, Pound Swiss. I bought it. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Everything was very, very clear. Market's going up. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out here, just being happy, looks like with about 20 pips. And those pips paid out $233. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the pound yen. This one I wanted to be buying. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. charts were excellent. It was an excellent setup for what I call a great way to trade, as most of these trades are. I love trading a great way to trade because it has a very high success rate. So I took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out again, just being happy. Now basically what I do is I look down at the bottom, and when I know I got at least 200 or more pips and or ticks, I just close out all the trades and I'm done trading for the day. So it looks like at this point where I closed out, it was 43 pips, and that paid out $287. Moving on to the next trade. This one I sold it, so on the Euro New Zealand, you can clearly see did qualify for a great way to trade. Let's see where I got in at. This cursor, the scalper was red. Daily trade plan said to sell. So everything looked great. So I took the trade there and I closed it out, just being happy with, looks like 53 pips, and those pips paid out $322. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the Pound New Zealand. It's the other one that I sold. So on this Pound New Zealand, again, did qualify for a great way to trade, everything looking great. So prior to the news, and by the way, the non-farm candle is this one right here. It's going to be the biggest candle on all the charts. So at 8:30 in the morning, away it went in the direction that my easy scalper said it was going to go. Now I knew that this was just a pullback, and once it gets around this area, I knew it was going to go down. Took the trade at this cursor and I closed it out again, just being happy. Looks like with about 55 pips. And those pips paid out $328. Moving on to the next trade. So all the rest of these trades, I bought them. This is the Euro CAD, so let's run a check on that. Another one qualified for a great way to trade. Everything looking good prior to the news. It's this big candle right here. So I knew it was going to go up. So I took the trade at that cursor and I closed it out. Obviously at this point, and it was right at the ADR. Looks like I locked in 49 pips and that paid out $364. Moving along to the next trade, the Pound CAD. Now on this Pound CAD, it did qualify, like all the other trades, for a great way to trade. Matter of fact, I could call this video a great way to trade, but because of the non-farm payroll, well, probably call it how I traded before the non-farm payroll. Okay, let's drag and drop this up and see where I got in at. Same situation. Went a little bit sideways, news kicked in, and away it went. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you have a good system and enough education, and enough practicing in a demo account. And then after a while, you can switch to a live account. Another one here, closed it out here. This one went past the ADR, but at this point, ended up getting 59 pips, and that ended up paying out $430. Moving on to the next trade, the Euro Dollar. It's this pays $10 for each pip, same as the Pound Dollar because the USD is on the right hand side. So let's run a check on this Euro Dollar, see where I got in at. Another one that qualified for a great way to trade. There's the candle, the big candle for the high impact news. Pulled the trigger there and I closed it out, just being happy. Looks like 69 pips, and that ended up Well, $10 for each pip. That paid out $690. Okay, moving on to the pound dollar. As I mentioned, this one pays $10 for each pip. There's the big candle for the non-farm payroll. Qualified for a great way to trade. Daily trade plan said to buy. Well, easy decision to make. Close it out at this point. Looking at the money, since it pays $10 for each pip, this should be 76, and there it is. And those 76 pips paid out $760. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is crude oil. Another one that pays $10 for each tick. So I bought it. Let's see where I got in at. That was the news candle right there. It's not super big. Let me see. This is, by the way, I don't know. There must have been some other news or something going on here. But anyhow, I'm out of the trade here, and I didn't have to deal with this. Remember, trade management, if you're not paying attention, you'll turn a beautiful winner into a very bad loser. So I got in at this cursor, and due to the fact it pays $10 for each tick, this should be, looking at the money, should be 81. So let's go and find that 81. There it is right there, 81 ticks, and that paid out $810. So another great day of trading. Fantastic way to end the week. Love trading with my easy scalper, and of course, if your system's not producing like the easy scalper, I recommend you to get your hands on it. And of course, that's very easy to do. First, before I get into that, as I mentioned, great day of trading. I added up all the pips and the ticks, and I knew it was going to be way over 200. Grand total came to 505 pips and ticks, and that paid out $4,228. So now, as I mentioned, I recommend you getting your hands on this easy scalper, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. So if you have any questions or if you want to buy, all you got to do is get in contact with me. And of course, if you look right below this video, you'll get my contact information, plus a lot of other information. So like I said, to get in contact with me, all you got to do is look right below this video, and in the description you get my information. Now you can pick up the phone and you can call me. You can send me an email if you want, and I do prefer Skype, so I made a link down there, easy for you. All you got to do is click on it. We'll have Skype connection, and of course at that point I can answer your questions. You'll also see in the description 3 different packages. Recommend you getting all 3, as you're going to need a lot of education to succeed. Now I do charge $250 for each package. Now I have a special offer. If you buy 2, I'll give you the 3rd one for free. Now I do have a grand total of 4 special limited time offers, and if you're interested in getting more education, I do have packages where I give a 50% discount. So all you got to do is send me an email, and I'll send you an email back with all the different special limited time offers. Now, one thing is, if you leave your name and email address, I will put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Just wanted to mention that Gmail, at this point in time, a lot of traders are getting back to me and saying that they're not getting my emails. And Gmail, first off, you have to put me on your safe senders list. And secondly, I believe that Gmail, their security is set too high, so it just rejects my bulk emailing. So all you have to do is lower your security settings just down a bit, and then you'll start getting my emails. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.